Hello fellow traders, Marv Eisen here from Timeless Dollar Trading Academy. And my oh my, what has been happening in the market? Well, you're looking at the one-day chart of the S&P, not the futures, this is the S&P. And right about over here, where we had the presidential election, the market, since then, the market has jumped up very strongly since Donald Trump was elected president. But then again, what happened? What happened beginning on November 11th? The market has been declining steadily since then. And there are gaps on the way up, there are gaps on the way down. So these are trading opportunities going forward. But what is happening? My guess is that many people who voted for Donald Trump think that they might have been sold the sizzle, but they're not going to be getting the steak. So that is what my opinion is of what's happening in the S&P market. Now here's my one-day chart of the S&P E-mini on Friday, November 15th. Market started up. Now, first of all, here's where the market closed on Thursday, right over here. Market closed Thursday at 59.78. And my calculated trading zone, my tailored trading zone, was resistance up at 60.10 and support at 59.60. And so the market opened up right over here, right about at 59.36. Didn't trade anywhere near the tailored trading zone. So let's look at how to trade this market when the tailored trading zone doesn't seem to be telling us where the market is going to go. Did I say the tailored trading zone is not going to tell us where the market is going to go? Scratch that. That's not true. Let's look at the opening of the day. From 9:30 right about over here up until about 10 o'clock, the market gyrated, vacillated up and down. And this is very normal for the market. But then the market takes out the intraday high or low in that half an hour to 1 hour period. And right about over here at around 10:15, the market broke through the clutter right over here. Here's the clutter. This is what I call the clutter, okay? Right over here, this area of uncertainty. And the market broke through right about over here, okay? And we could take it that the market was going to trade lower. But where was the market going to go? That's where we use our tailored trading zone. And we take the trading zone and we're going to clone it. I'm going to make the clone and I'm going to transpose it to the intraday high or low, in this case the intraday high, which was right about over here, okay? And so where was the market going to go? Right down to here, around 58.90, and that's where you get off. So you know where to get on based on patience, waiting to see where the market's going to break out of the intraday high or low within the first half hour to hour. And you've got to take a guess here, but it's usually a correct one. The market breaks that, tests it and breaks it, and then trades down to the trading zone. You have to transpose the trading zone, and you have yourself a profitable day. So that's my video for today. Remember, we have a lot of gaps that we have to look at, and what I suggest you do is you take your gaps, like this gap on Thursday, transpose it over to Monday, because the market will revisit that gap, and there were some previous gaps also. So what I'm going to suggest you do is to take your chart and mark a bunch of horizontal lines where the existing gaps are that haven't closed. So thanks so much for watching. Trade safely, use lots of patience, and I'll see you in my next video. Marv Eisen for Timeless Dollar Trading Academy.